The biggest selling point of the upcoming Honor Wing Turbo, which is expected to launch in China on May 29th, is its battery life. Now, it's been officially confirmed that the Honor Wing Turbo would pack a massive 10,000 mAh battery. And according to Honor, the phone can deliver more than 14 hours of continuous gaming or around 22 hours of short video streaming on a single charge. And Honor is also not sacrificing charging speed either. The Wing Turbo is confirmed to support 80-watt wired fast charging, which should help refuel that giant battery pretty quickly. Plus, there's also 27 watts reverse wired charging, which means the device can be used as a power bank. Honor is also teasing a new communication chip alongside a 6-wing antenna system, and according to the company, this is supposed to improve signal stability and connectivity. Now, when it comes to design, Honor has already shown off the phone, and it definitely has that bold, performance-focused look. We also know the phone will feature a 50MP main camera inside a triple rear camera setup, although Honor hasn't fully revealed the other camera sensors just yet. Now, according to leaks from China, the Honor Wing Turbo could come with a metal frame, a 1.5K LTPS display, since the Honor Wing Turbo would have the same specs or similar specs to the Honor Power 2. I'm guessing the display would be a 6.79-inch AMOLED panel, since that is a display of the Honor Power 2. But it's merely speculation at this point. Rumors also are pointing to a MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Elite chip. This is the same chip that powers the Honor Power 2, with configurations going up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB storage. But unlike the higher end Wing models, this one may skip the built-in cooling fan, which raises an interesting question about long gaming performance. So these are the leaked details of the Honor Wing Turbo. If I could get more details about the device before its official launch date, I will definitely share with you guys, especially its price. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.